Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Tasha. As you can see, I am in the garage. So today is gonna be part 2 of the hoarders version of cleaning up my garage. We have become quite the hoarders over the years, and we got rid of over half of our garage, like pack rat stuff, 2 weeks ago. We're back again. It does look like it's gonna rain sometime today. We have like a 40% chance at 4. It is now about 10:30, so we're gonna go ahead and get started and see how far we can get. This is our last chance to get everything cleaned out of the garage and get it all organized before dump day on Monday. So tomorrow. Today is Sunday. So today's our last day to do this. So I'll go ahead and give you guys an overview of what the garage looks like and what we're gonna be tackling today and what we're not gonna be really touching, but trying to sell and things like that. So if you like these kind of videos, go ahead and stick around. I'll give you guys a before and after from where we started to where we're at today. And then we'll do one at the end of the day as well and show you guys what all progress we made throughout this. So if you want to see all that, go ahead and stick with us. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet, because I'd love to see you guys stick around, as well as hitting that bell notification so you don't miss any future uploads. Let's go ahead and jump into this. Okay, so starting off, this is where we were last time we were in here. It's gotten a little messy since in here, but like we've got more stuff added to get rid of. We still have to get rid of all this stuff that's on this side. We're just gonna put it on the curb and let people know it's here, and it'll be picked up on Monday. So anything like this stuff will be on the curb as well. It'll be exiting the garage. The couches and all this stuff will stay, as well as that stuff, until I get it sold. And then this one's gonna come inside. And then this is the side we're tackling today. All of this that looks like an atrocious mess and just so disorganized, we will be getting rid of some of this stuff, not a bunch of it, but we're gonna be organizing a majority of it. We got all these little totes here that we're gonna try and fit as much stuff in. I've got some labels for them that I'm gonna be putting on so I know what's in everything. But for the most part, this is the side we're working on. It shouldn't take us too long, so let's go ahead and start the process of getting rid of the stuff that we don't want by putting it out here on the curb. And they'll come by with a big old truck on Monday, and everyone will have all their stuff out and picking it up. So here we go.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed up late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. Nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. Baby, it was baby, it was. Right now, I'm looking at an old picture of you. Skinny jeans and blue eyes that could light up every room. Guess they still do. We used to talk all night about how we thought life was gonna be. I told you it'd be alright as long as I could have you next to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, but nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. Baby, it was and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me.
On this day, it was actually really cold. We were supposed to start on Saturday, but I decided to talk Trevor into going to the park. And when we did, we actually met some friends. It was actually a lot of fun. Tennyson got to meet some new kids, and we have future playdates planned now. So I'm glad that we skipped Saturday because now we have future playdates for Tennyson. But waiting until Sunday was a really bad idea because on this day, it was so cold. There was impending rain that kept moving forward and backwards in time. Like we kept getting notifications saying rain will start at this time. Never mind, it'll start at this time. So we were just trying to get it done as quickly as possible. I think we spent a full 2 hours outside doing this. So it really wasn't that long because we tackled a majority of it in the last video, which I will have linked in the iCards above so that you guys can look at that if you haven't started from the beginning. I'll put it in the beginning of the video when I show what it looked like 2 weeks in when we first started. Anyways, so on this day, I decided to go ahead and like get most of it organized, and we were trying to get as much as we could onto this platform and onto these shelves. And everything else that's off is pretty much being sold or brought into the house. At the end of the video, you'll see that there's still those like loves boxes. There's some other random things that are just kind of sitting out. Those are things that need to be brought inside and looked through or need to be sold, as in like Tennyson's clothes. That's what's in all those diaper boxes is Tennyson's clothes. I need to go through them, match all the sets together, organize each box by her age range again, because we had people come look through them and they're all disorganized now all over again. So I need to redo all that and get all that stuff sold or just hand it off to a mama that needs it. So at the end, you're going to see what I call a very like productive and successful garage clean out, because we got rid of so much stuff. It looks way better. There's so much room to do stuff. And once I get rid of the couches, I can actually park my car in here. So I think that's the plus that we learned from doing all of this is we didn't get everything we wanted done, because eventually we want to get shelves that keep these black and white drawers, or not drawers, these black and white bins. We want shelves that they're off the ground. So eventually we'll have those. And then as well as I need to take the time to hang up all my wreaths. So other than that, most of the stuff in here is going to be done by the end of this, but a majority of it, I still have things I want to get done, like putting our tools up on the walls, putting the bikes up on the wall if we can get that done, as well as like the wreaths and, you know, just stuff. There's still wish list stuff that needs to happen in here. But at the end of this video, I'm telling you, it is such a huge difference from where we started.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Oh, that's not okay. We can never go back this road, you never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road, you never go back that way. I see you standing in the
right, y'all, we have reached the end of this video and we're about to enter the before and after. The before is where we started 2 weeks ago on video number 1, and the after will be what we accomplished today. And whenever I get more stuff done in here, I'll go ahead and post it on Instagram. I don't think I'll be having another video out here, but as I get stuff done in here, like getting our tools hung up, the wreaths, and things like that, I will go ahead and give you guys like pictures of how I organized those items in our garage. And maybe if we get the bikes up, I can show you guys that too. But we tried to hang the bikes previously, and we don't think the walls are going to be able to withstand the weight. So we will find out. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up because I feel like it was such a great transformation. I am super proud of how everything turned out. Still have work to do, but this was such a big accomplishment that we've been trying to do for 2 years now. If you want to see more like this, let me know by leaving a comment down below, and I'll do some more organization and clean out of spaces because I do have more spaces to do that in, as well as going ahead and giving this a big like and remembering to hit that bell notification so you don't miss any future uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.